What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. In today's video, we're gonna be hitting the junkyard again, so get fired up. I know you guys love these videos. I love them too, and let's get to it. Woo!
Cutthroat nigga, yeah, anything go. I hop out the vehicle, fixing my pistol. Pounce out on niggas, I look like I'm Tigger.
Alrighty, guys, so as you guys can see, there's kind of limited footage since it was 50% off this weekend. I guess better people were there, and I just kind of felt weird walking around with a chest mount, so I didn't get too much footage, but I'll show you guys what I got. Got another spare stereo just in case I ever need it. I got this cup holder, so it's pretty badass. Mine doesn't, just comes with this open section, so now I got this. Works mint. I got the kicker speakers. This is gonna be for the truck. Video on that shortly. I gotta update you guys about the truck. The other kicker speaker, and then I got these. I think next year, hopefully next spring, once I'm doing the turbo on the hatch, re-turboing this hatchback, taking the parts from the other one, I'm gonna put coilovers in it as well. So all I gotta do is get the coilovers, and I can I have these extra brackets, the forks for the coils, and hopefully I can get them powder coated. And then also just got a battery terminal. Yeah, nothing too special. But guys, I'm gonna try to throw in some clips from the summer that I haven't yet posted, and I just haven't. So I have like a Montreal trip, some highlights for that, and just some other random clips from the summer. Also, I might throw in a little dirt bike video I have as well, just because I don't really have that much content for this video. But yeah, so enjoy whatever is next that I throw in the video.